Hi, this is V.V. Ramana, teacher in English. Welcome to V.V. Ramana English Grammar. In this video, I would like to share with you the topic Interchanging the degrees of comparison type 3. In this type 3, adjectives are used to compare more than two units. Now let us take the example number 1. Here we have taken the adjective tall to compare more than two units such as Ramu and other boys. The expressions we use here are not the tallest for superlative degree. Earlier we used the tallest in type 1, one of the tallest in type 2. Here we are using not the tallest for superlative degree. Accordingly, we change other expressions in this type 3. So, not the tallest for superlative degree, not taller than some other for comparative degree, some or some other at least as for positive degree. Let us see how these expressions are used in the structures. First one, Ramu is not the tallest boy, superlative degree. Ramu is not taller than some other boys, comparative degree. Some other boys are at least as tall as Ramu will be the positive degree. Here is example number 2. Here the adjective rich is taken to compare more than two units, Madhu and other men. Let us see what are the expressions we use here. Not the richest for superlative degree, not richer than some other for comparative degree, some or some other at least as for positive degree. Let us see these expressions in the structure. Madhu is not the richest man, superlative degree. Madhu is not richer than some other men, comparative degree. Some men are at least as rich as Madhu will be the positive degree. Now let us do some more practice with these structures. If we give these examples to the students, then they will be more acquainted with the structures of type 3. Here is the exercise number 1 for more practice. In this exercise, the adjective fat is given to compare more than two units, Rani and other girls. In the next example, the adjective handsome is given to compare more than two units, Mohan and other men. In the third example, the adjective smart is given to compare more than two units, Jairam and other boys. In the fourth example, the adjective clever is given to compare more than two units, Srinu and other boys. In the next example, the adjective big is given to compare more than two units, our school and other schools. And in the last example, the adjective large is given to compare more than two units, the Nile and other rivers. Now let us see the model answers that children are expected to write with those examples. First one, Rani is not the fattest girl, superlative degree. Rani is not fatter than some other girls, comparative degree. Some girls are at least as fat as Rani will be the positive degree. In the same way, with the second example, Mohan is not the most handsome man, superlative degree. Mohan is not more handsome than some other men, comparative degree. Some men are at least as handsome as Mohan will be the positive degree. Now another set of answers. Jairam is not the smartest boy, superlative degree. Jairam is not smarter than some other boys compared to degree. Some boys are at least as smart as Jairam, positive degree. Another example, Srinu is not the cleverest boy, superlative degree. Srinu is not cleverer than some other boys compared to degree. Some boys are at least as clever as Srinu will be the positive degree. Here you can find one more set of answers. Our school is not the biggest school, superlative degree. Our school is not bigger than some other schools compared to degree. Some schools are at least as big as our school will be the positive degree. And last set of answers. The Nile is not the largest river, superlative degree. The Nile is not larger than some other rivers compared to degree. Some rivers are at least as large as the Nile will be the positive degree. Here is one more exercise. Exercise number 2. Change the following into other degrees as directed. You can find here the questions. Here are the answers for the exercise number 2. Friends, please let me know if this video is useful to you or not. If it is useful, please subscribe to my channel tapping this subscribe button on YouTube. And also you need to touch the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste.